I'm completely, hopelessly, ridiculously in love with the Fiio DM15 R2R. This little silver and black beauty has single-handedly revived my childhood CD obsession and turned it into the most luxurious, emotional, goosebump-inducing listening ritual of my adult life. The second I slide a disc in and see it gently spin behind that crystal-clear window while the soft blue display lights up, I already feel my shoulders drop and my whole body relax. Then the music starts and oh my god, that R2R ladder DAC magic hits like warm honey pouring straight into my ears. The sound is so organic, so three-dimensional, so analog in the best possible way. Vocals have this velvety, breathy presence that makes singers feel like they're sitting right next to me whispering secrets. Acoustic guitars shimmer with every string vibration crystal clear yet never sharp, and bass lines land with this slow, deep, physical thump that you can actually feel in your chest even on modest IEMs. I've thrown everything at it: 90s J-pop, 70s progressive rock, modern lo-fi hip-hop, old Bollywood soundtracks, classical piano solos, and every single genre blooms in ways that make streaming feel flat and lifeless by comparison. The balanced output is an absolute monster. Pair it with something power-hungry like a planar headphone and you get explosive dynamics, black backgrounds, and insane instrument separation without ever losing that signature R2R sweetness. Even on the go, the battery holds up impressively, the top-loading mechanism feels satisfyingly premium, the build doesn't creak or flex, the buttons have a lovely clicky tactility, and having USB DAC plus Bluetooth transmit modes means this one device covers my desk, my commute, my bedside, and my living room speaker setup without compromise. Every time I use it, I catch myself smiling like an idiot or closing my eyes just to sink deeper into the music. It's not hype, it's not gimmicky, it's genuinely special. If you've ever missed the ceremony and soul of physical media, or you just crave that rare, euphonic, emotionally involving sound that only a discrete R2R design seems to deliver so perfectly in 2025/2026, do yourself the biggest favor and get the Fiio DM15 R2R. I'm already planning which rare CDs to hunt down next because this thing deserves to be fed beautiful music forever. Hands down the most joyful audio purchase I've made in years. I'm obsessed and I'm not even trying to hide it.